Welcome to my roundup of the top 5 best impact wrenches of 2026. The cordless and electric tools that every mechanic, DIY enthusiast, and professional needs in their arsenal. Whether you're loosening stubborn lug nuts, tackling heavy-duty automotive repairs, or working on construction projects, these impact wrenches deliver torque, speed, and convenience without the hassle of cords. Today's models feature advanced brushless motors, long-lasting batteries, ergonomic grips, and smart safety features that make tough jobs easier than ever. In this guide, I'll walk you through the top options available this year and help you choose the perfect wrench for your needs. Check the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's power up. Starting off with the Magson 1/2-inch cordless impact wrench. The Magson 1/2-inch cordless impact wrench is built for durability and heavy-duty performance. With a powerful brushless motor, it delivers strong torque that can handle lug nuts, bolts, and industrial fasteners with ease. I like how it features multiple speed settings, allowing me to adjust power for different applications. The 20V battery system ensures long runtime, and the fast charger keeps downtime to a minimum. Its sturdy build and ergonomic grip make it comfortable to use, even during tough jobs. The LED light is a helpful addition for working in dimly lit areas. What sets Magson apart is its focus on reliability. It's built to withstand demanding conditions, making it ideal for mechanics and professionals who need a tool they can trust. For anyone who wants a balance of power, durability, and precision, the Magson 1/2-inch wrench is a strong contender. Next up is the Albin 1/2-inch cordless impact wrench. The Albin 1/2-inch cordless impact wrench is a versatile option that combines affordability with solid performance. It delivers up to 400 ft-lbs of torque, making it suitable for automotive repairs, construction projects, and household tasks. I appreciate its variable speed trigger, which gives me precise control depending on the job. The 21V battery system provides consistent power, and the included socket set makes it ready to use right out of the box. The forward/reverse switch adds convenience, while the lightweight design reduces fatigue during extended use. Albin also includes a carrying case, making it easy to store and transport. For under $100, this wrench offers impressive value, giving users professional-level performance without the high price tag. It's a great choice for anyone who wants a dependable tool for everyday mechanical work. Moving on, the DIY Toollift's 1/2-inch cordless impact wrench. The DIY Toollift's 1/2-inch cordless impact wrench is designed for users who want durability and consistent performance. Its 20V motor provides reliable power for everyday tasks, from assembling furniture to drilling into tougher materials. I like how it includes a full set of drill and driver bits, giving me flexibility for different projects. The wrench itself features variable speed settings and a keyless chuck, making bit changes quick and easy. The battery life is solid, and the included charger ensures I can get back to work quickly. DIY Toollift's also emphasizes safety, with features like overload protection to prevent damage. This set is perfect for DIYers who want a dependable wrench that comes with all the essentials for home improvement projects. It's practical, durable, and efficient. Exactly what I want in a cordless impact wrench that's built to last. Stepping the Milwaukee Electric M18 Fuel Impact Wrench. The Milwaukee Electric M18 Fuel Impact Wrench is designed for professionals who demand maximum performance. I appreciate its advanced brushless motor, which delivers up to 1,000 ft-lbs of torque, making it one of the most powerful cordless wrenches available. The RedLink Plus intelligence system ensures optimal performance and prevents overheating, while the 18V battery provides extended runtime. Its ergonomic design and lightweight build make it comfortable to use, even during long projects. The LED light adds visibility, and the multiple speed settings provide flexibility for different applications. Milwaukee is known for innovation, and the M18 Fuel continues that tradition with cutting-edge technology and unmatched power. For anyone who wants a premium impact wrench that can handle the toughest jobs, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel is the ultimate choice. Finally, the CZI 665 ft-lbs impact wrench. The CZI 665 ft-lbs impact wrench earns its place as one of the most affordable and practical options in 2026. Designed with a compact build and powerful motor, it's perfect for both automotive and household tasks. I love how lightweight and portable it is, making it easy to handle for long periods. Its motor provides solid cutting power, while the automatic oiling system ensures smooth chain performance. The ergonomic grip adds comfort, and the detachable design makes it versatile for different tasks. What makes CZI stand out is its affordability. It's accessible to most users while still delivering reliable performance. For DIY enthusiasts and homeowners, this model is a smart choice for everyday mechanical work, offering dependable results without breaking the budget. All of these impact wrenches bring something valuable to the table, depending on your needs and work style. The Magson 1/2 inch is perfect for maximum torque and professional durability. The Albin cordless wrench offers affordability and versatility. The DIY Tulif's 1/2 inch emphasizes durability and safety. The CZI 665 FTLBS provides compact power for everyday use. And the Milwaukee M18 Fuel stands out as the most powerful and premium option for professionals. When choosing an impact wrench, it's important to consider torque, battery life, weight, and included accessories. High torque is essential for automotive and industrial tasks, while lighter models are better for household projects. Battery performance determines how long you can work without recharging, and ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use. Accessories like socket sets and carrying cases add value, making the tool more versatile and practical. That wraps up my top 5 best impact wrenches of 2026. Whether you're a professional mechanic, a construction worker, or a DIY enthusiast, there's a perfect cordless wrench here for you. These tools represent the best balance of power, portability, and price, helping you tackle tough jobs with confidence. So, if you're ready to upgrade your toolkit, check the description below for the latest deals and grab the wrench that fits your needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tool reviews and buying guides. With the right impact wrench in hand, you'll be ready to take on any project, big or small, with strength, precision, and ease. Power up your work, save time, and enjoy the satisfaction of getting the job done right.